Hello everyone and welcome to our video on types of software testing. In this video, we will discuss what are the types of software testing, how many types are there and what are they, and also we will know about the technical details about the types of software testing. To do so, let's step into the video. Friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, in this video, the first topic we are focusing on system testing is what is the classification of system testing. System testing has been classified mainly into two types. They are functioning testing and non-functional testing. The details about how this classification has been done, and first of all, what are the reasons leads to the classification of this testing. We had explained these topics in the system testing video. If you did not watch that video, please watch that video. The video links are available in the iCard section so that you can get a complete knowledge on this classification. Friends, next topic we are focusing on this video is functional testing. In functional testing, we mainly focus on the requirements given by the client. We test the application or product or a project with some sample input. That application will take the data and process the data and exhibit one output. We compare that actual output with the expected output. Both the outputs are getting matched. We come to one conclusion that requirements are working fine. Friends, the next topic we are focusing on this video is non-functional testing. With the non-functional testing, we mainly focus on the behavior of the application. For example, take the login page requirement. So in this non-functional testing, we check the requirement in such a way that by giving the wrong user ID or wrong password, we check how this application is behaving. And for web application, testers will log in, more number of testers will log into the web application at the same time and checks the behavior of the applications. Like this, the testing will check each and every requirement in different scenarios, in different negative scenarios to find out the behavior of the application in each and every scenarios. Friends, in the conclusion, let us observe the most important points of these types of software testing. It has mainly two types. One is functional testing, which is mainly focusing on the requirements given by the client, and the other one is non-functional testing. It focusing on the behavior of the application. Friends, I made this video to share my knowledge on testing. I hope you will find this video useful to you. Friends, please click on subscribe button to get notification on the latest video. I request you to please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your lot of support to our channel. I hope it will continue forever.